Caitlin. It's Monday, March 25th, and today I'm doing a taste test. We've got Butter'em, Bundaberg, Cock and Bull, Ginger People, Q, and Sioux City. Julie has kindly poured them into cups so that I can figure out which one is which and see if I know my ginger beers.
I have the answers.
She has the answer key because she's a teacher. So I'm gonna try all the sodas now and decide which one is which. Okay. Man, this is gonna be hard. That one's reminiscent of Lysol. This is Q. F is Q. This one's not reminiscent of Lysol because it's Ginger People. This one is Bundaberg. Now the hard ones. Okay. Maybe that one was Bundaberg. I'm pretty sure that one's Butter'em. That one's Sioux City. What makes this one Cock and Bull? Okay, don't tell me yet. Just gonna confirm really quick. Yes, definitely Lysol. Definitely Ginger People. I'm pretty certain this is Bundaberg because it tastes yeasty. And that's Butter'em because it's the best one. Hello, Julie's phone. That one's Sioux City because it attacks your face. No, it's Cock and Bull. I'm pretty certain. Okay, Julie.
Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
How would you like me to tell you?
Is this one right?
Yes. 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 No.
What? No!
Correct.
No! Okay. Let me try these three again. Really? Okay.
Yes.
Yes!
No.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Yay! That was fun. Well, I'm really disappointed that I didn't get Butter'em right because that's my very favorite kind and I felt like I should have gotten it. What did I say it was initially? Do you remember?
You mixed up it with Cock and Bull.
See, I like Cock and Bull a lot too, though. These three are really good. Caitlin, I drank all this ginger beer so you don't have to. Keep being authentically awesome.